dirty as a motherfucker.
That ain't dirty.
Shit.
That's great. Did you ever open your port up at all?
Nah, we just left it the way it was.
Okay. Because I know yours is a really low-end monster. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Shit is brutal, son.
So how much power, subs, amps, electrical, what all is in here, man?
Starting with electrical, got 2 Singer 270 alternators, 2 Crossfire 16Ks on 4 CES Lithium 80 amp hour batteries.
All right.
6 Crossfire XT3 15s.
Yep. All right. What are they wired to?
I want to say we're at half on.
Half on.
Half
All
on.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
That's an amp. Amps in the back. Woo.
You gonna be out here for a while?
Yeah, I'll be here today and tomorrow all day.
Alright.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be here tomorrow too.
All right.
I'll be here until freaking Monday, bro.
Yeah.
Shit, it's going
Is the
down.
amp, can I see the amp real quick?
Oh yeah, I got you. I gotta turn the trunk on.
Nice. Man, I love this. This is awesome.
You gotta excuse me, dirty now. Dirty as a motherfucker.
That ain't dirty.
Shit.
That's great. Hey, you should see some. I like the way you got your AC coming out. Does that come into the fan?
Yeah, last time you didn't see this.
That looks good. Goliath 2.0 is your name.
It's the name of the truck.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Wow. Nice. Looks really good.
Still work in progress.
Yeah.
You have a copy of it? It's about 95% done.
What do you still got to get done?
Center console, adding some more tins and super tweeters.
Okay.
And do something with this.
Sir. Yeah.
I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna do that over too.
Yep.
I couldn't do that.
Awesome.
You got a solid way.
Nice to meet you again, man. You have a good day.
All right, bro.
I'll catch you later.
All right.
Yes, sir. Whoa!
God dang.
Jeez.
Damn hat on.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the memo. Two-door king, man. Appreciate it. That was great.
Follow me on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Two-door king. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.